fighter? Now where's that fighter?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet, and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourist. And the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at his Roboshack. He knows about these locks.
You'll need to use the special features of a Gadgetron thruster pack to activate this switch. You can find one at Bob's Roboshack, just around the corner.
Well, what have we got here?
Hey, watch it.
I recognize that work. You're off in Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, if you want some real hardware, I can fix this little feller up with a thruster pack.
Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh? Well, it sure as heck will. It's got a real special power slam move built right in.
It's a good thing I need this to get to that jet, or you'd be out of luck, pal.
I've got it.
I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad a-hoppin'. Well, there you are, little buddy. Better than new.
That's right. I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Press the square button to fire the machine guns, and press the circle button to fire off mini missiles. To go faster, hold the pistol.
I guess that should do it. Here you go.
It's about time.
Hi there, Fuzzball. Oh, that's a nice one.